care and well-being is a top priority for dairy producers. While our industry has an excellent track record of responsible management practices, we need to work together to reassure consumers that we care for the safety, comfort, and well-being of our animals, and that the dairy products we produce are safe, wholesome, and nutritious. That's what the National Dairy Farm Program is all about. Voluntary and open to all producers, this comprehensive program was created by the National Milk Producers Federation with support from Dairy Management Incorporated. The goal? To demonstrate and verify that U.S. milk producers are committed to providing the highest standards of animal care and quality assurance. The National Dairy Farm Program benefits milk producers by outlining best practices that promote the production of high-quality dairy products, providing consistent guidelines for dairy animal care that all producers can employ on the farm, and creating a consistent animal care program on a national scale with easy-to-use educational support, on-farm evaluation and feedback, and third-party verification to ensure the integrity of the program. It's about building consumer trust and confidence in the dairy industry. It's about reassuring food processors, retailers, and restaurant chains that producers continue to provide quality animal care. And it's about continuing a long tradition of excellence in our industry and ensuring our livelihood for generations to come. It's the National Dairy Farm Program.